Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Fiers Femme, and today I'm bringing you a fall eye look, something that's fairly easy that you could try and practice when you have time. I live in Atlanta right now, and it's still hot. It's like in the 90s, 90 something degrees today, and it's we're in October, like it's October 4th. I don't know when this weather is gonna change, so I wanted to do something that was still kind of summery but not, because I'm ready to get into the fall looks and we don't have the fall weather. So I just wanted to do something a little deeper, a little darker, something that is fun to do when the cold weather finally appears. So if you want to see how I did this look, definitely stay tuned. They don't have like a description box or anything, so I'm gonna try and post everything I use under, like when I post the video, they have like the description box on my actual Instagram page, because they don't have a description box on IGtv. So I'm gonna put everything that I used on my face on my actual page. Give me some likes, show me some love, leave comments, and yeah, turn on my post notifications on my IG page. And I'm not gonna harass you with anything else. Just enjoy, and yeah, let's get into it. Mwah.
Okay, so today we're starting off with the Art Natural Serum. It's actually a hyaluronic acid, and it actually helps to tighten my skin and like leave my pores less open, if that makes any sense. And the makeup adheres really well, so I just love using that serum. Around my mouth, I use my Lavender Milk lotion that I always use on my face. I felt like the hyaluronic acid was just gonna dry it out too much, and I'm having a little breakout with my eczema, so I'm trying to keep down there moisturized while I still have to put makeup over it. I did mostly my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm just shaping them out with the Fenty Beauty concealer in 350. I really love this concealer. It blends out really well with my skin, especially when it starts to cool down. I tend to get a little bit lighter. I used to get lighter in New York, but anyway, we're going to be using the James Charles palette, and I always start off with a transition color that's almost the same as my skin tone, and I'm just using that to basically shape out my almond shaped eyes, and I just go back and forth with a blending brush. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit darker, kind of like a chocolatey color, but still has like an undertone of like a reddish type flavor. What I do is pat from the corner of my eye and sweep it in directly to almost where the middle, my pupil will be in the middle. And that is the trick. You should always place more outshadow towards the end of your eye and then sweep it in, and you will have that gradient from like light to dark, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty concealer, and I'm doing a cut crease only because I'm about to place this yellow with a flat-headed brush. And I didn't really show that part. It's simple. You just kind of pat on the yellow, and now I'm going in with the orange, because what I'm trying to do is play up like how the leaves are normally on the trees. We normally have like different colors: orange, green, yellow. So I'm going for that fall look. So I pat the orange towards the corner near the brown, and also in the corner of my eye. Now I'm going back in with brown, because going back in with the brown is going to help blend out you know, the cuts in the eye makeup. I don't like seeing things that don't have a proper blend to it, so that's what I'm doing. And now I'm using the Juvia's palette. Sorry, my phone rang and it distracted me. I'm using the Juvia's palette, and I'm going in under my eyes to just kind of open it up a little more. I tried to put a little yellow, and now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe in the corners of my eye. This is the orange color corrector from Dragon Beauty, and I showed that in my last video and explained that basically an orange color corrector is supposed to help you with any dark marks and kind of give your makeup an undertone, instead of when you put the foundation on, you can actually still see the marks come through. And so I don't like that, so I tend to use it around my mouth where it's a little bit darker. And a lot of women suffer from, you know, two-tone skin around their mouth. Now what I'm doing is basically I did the concealer on my eyes, and I used the Fenty Beauty powder in honey to set under my eyes, and I'm going in now with the NYX bronzer. That's what I use to contour my face. I don't really do anything too in-depth. The blush that I use is from e.l.f. and I basically mix 2 colors, and I don't put it on my cheeks. I kind of do it on top of the contour. The lipsticks that I'm using today is from Kylie Cosmetics. I mixed Mink and I believe it was pumpkin together. Step is always to spray my face with a makeup setting spray. It definitely does help set your makeup and make it look beautiful for your photo op. And thank you for watching. Turn on my post notifications, share this video, and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'll see you next time. Later.